Okay, so this here is the Figma file that I will share on our Notion. In this Figma file, um, I will try to document the planning for the pages of the project, the database, and the user flow. I believe that we could do this. I could build this without any of this, right? Just chatting with the AI, but I don't think that that's fair because if we choose any other way to build with no code or hard code, we would have to plan the pages, database, and and the user flow at least. I would not do research or search with users. I won't do UI and UX that we usually do on normal projects, on usual projects. But this one I won't do um, just because then now I believe that the UI UX is more related to what the AI can do and not us. Um, then I don't have the real name for this challenge yet, but here I call it the Lovable Challenge ERP PME because this is IRP for Brazilian companies. I'm from Brazil originally. So PME, it means Pequenas e Médias Empresas, which in English is basically small and medium-sized companies. So here, this document first, this element here, I don't remember where I got this, but I'm using this for years now. This is just like page title and to add the page title and page elements. So then we can connect and kind of create the user flow with this element. We will also create the user flow with the usual elements that I have in here. This was just generated by the Figma AI. And then we will use the tables to represent the database. I wanted to show this because before just dropping these into any to our Notion, just to kind of you guys understand what is the default process. Okay, so here first I would add a section. This section will be pages. Okay, so then here I will change this to okay. I'll take this and drop here. Now we have our section for pages. And then another section here with another color that we'll call database. Database. And the color green. Okay. I'll drop the table here. And now what I like to use this because let's say that we have a lot of pages, right? We have here some pages and I want to connect those pages, right? So I want to say, hey, from this page, the user can come to this page and this page here, but they can't come to. They can navigate to this page. So then they need to come to this page. When they are here, they can navigate to this page. That's why, because then I can easily see, and especially with Lovable, where we have like the list of pages, but we can't see like we can see on the folder flow the flow chart where we can see all the navigation from the pages and the buttons and the actions. So this will be easier for us to see. So you guys can come here, see the page, the page, how the navigation works, how the database is connected, how the tables are connected, how the user flow works, and then it will be easier to see to follow through the database, the Lovable project. Okay, here the database same, right? We have here our database. Let me take this from here. We have multiple tables, and like this table is connected to this table, and this table is connected to this table, but this table does not connect with this one, right? Like say this is a user, this is where we're going to hold the business information, and this is where we are going to hold I don't know, logs, let's say. And here is what everyone is tired to see. This is just a normal flowchart. So the intention here is to show, hey, this is why I'm doing this is why I'm doing this, and I'll try to, when once this is done, I'll try to get another video explaining everything. I already dropped on Notion the pages in the database. It was created using ChatGPT. I did some changes. I'm not sure if the SQL is perfect, so we can just drop into Lovable, and the Lovable will probably fix it before sends to Superbase. So this will be pretty helpful. Um, but yeah, this is what I'm working on today. Hope to get this done by the end of the day, and then tomorrow I will start recording every the steps on Lovable. I will show you how you can upgrade to a paid plan, and then we how to create a project and how to start project, and how to take these like all these pages, database, user flow, features, and turn into prompts the best way possible so we can achieve the goal to get a complete SaaS done with just the 100 messages from the starter plan. Okay, this here, if you don't uh, know already, I am a mobile developer for 6 years, Flurful developer 3 years. Not as good as in Bubble, but I am. I have 1 year experience in Superbase, and actually this is wrong. I need to add in here Zeno 4 years. The AI is no because I'm not that experienced, so I'm starting now, and I want to show the basically the journey. Okay, all this experience will help me a lot into get these done more effective in Lovable, Cursor, and any other AI tool because I already know how the process works. So yeah, if you want to follow me on YouTube, I will drop this video on every platform. So if you want to follow me on other platforms, here you have it on YouTube, Tech Makers, on Instagram, Gimeda, and on LinkedIn, Gil Meda. My name is Guilherme Gonçalves Soares Meda, aka Gil. It's easier for English speakers. And my website is techmakers.dev. It was built in Bubble with some code just for the animations and it's storage on Cloudflare, so it's not really coding. Okay. Yeah. I hope you understood everything that I said, and I hope to see you on our first chapter for our challenge on Loveball.